Aluminum extruded frame for lightbulbs. The aluminum profile is widely used in advertisement lightbulbs with beautiful and generous characteristics. The folding box can be folded into a specific shape with a special bending machine. It can be folded into a square, circular, oval, and so on. It is widely used in the production of plastic lamp bulbs. Aluminum partition, also called aluminum alloy glass partition, office partition, chart rooms, interregional, aluminum separator, glass frame partition, etc. is used the aluminum profile as the frame, also known as the glass partition. The main function is to use aluminum alloy sandwich glass as the partition to divide office space according to demand, make more reasonable use of the space to satisfy office use. It mainly applies to an office, field, site conference room, hotel multifunction hall, high-end villas, colleges, banks, and hospitals, etc.